Good morning guys. Time check 5:10 in the morning. Kasi mga adik kahit anong oras sumusugod sa dagat. Yan, kasama ko si ano.
Hello.
Bisdak.
Napasubo.
Napasubo.
Subok rin, subok.
Sana may mahuli kami ngayon kasi 2 araw na kaming nagpipishing. Kasama ko si Bunik. Walang nahuli. Yan, pangatlong araw namin to. Para may ma-upload na. Kita mamaya. Yan, dahil malamig. Nagsigana kami. Ayan, ganda oh.
Lamig, grabe.
Bonfire.
Papainit pre. Nilamig na.
Yan, si Bunik.
Lalo malamig, walang huli.
Yan no.
Ay, nagtutbrush.
After 64 hour I got one. Pare, imagine after 64 hour finally. Huh?
Now you can get more.
Yeah. Huh?
There is more.
It's okay.
Why am I always catching this one?
Queen fish, small one. Nice one, Sultan. Mashallah. Not bad.
Not bad, yeah. Especially when I take it out.
Yeah. Show me. Big sherry. Oh, ha. Sherry? Oh. Nice one, pare.
Thank you.
Umaga na. Time check 7 o'clock. Na rin kami. As usual. Sultan, dati niyang pwesto. Queen fish. Nice one again, pare. Lucky.
Baby queen fish.
Strike na naman ng malaki. Come on. What's that, pare?
Chai!
Wow!
King size.
King size of sherry. Wow! Pare, very lucky today.
I don't.
Very lucky. See? It's very big.
Bigger than my face.
Yeah. Original. Nice one again, pare.
One more.
Mashallah, lek.
This for 3 days then.
Mabruk, pare. Uwi na kami. Time check 10:30 after a long hour. Yan, medyo buenas. Sultan ang ano, ang sobrang buenas. Only Sultan. Huli-muli. Hello guys, see you again sa next vlog ko. Abang-abang lang. Maraming salamat.